Hello guys, today I will presentation about persuasive essay by Felony Agustin. First, introduce myself. My name is Felony Agustin. My name is 240190 and 84. Let's start our presentation. First, what is poetry? Poetry is a form to literary expression that use rhythm, imaginary, and careful chosen words to evoke emotion, paint vivid picture, or convey deep ideas. Unlike regular prose, poetry often uses devices like rhyme, metaphor, and symbols to enhance its impact. It can be written in many styles, structured via specific form, or free-flowing without rules. In short, poetry is the art of saying the most with the fewest words. Benefits of reading poetry: 1. Improve language and vocabulary. 2. Boosts imagination and creativity. 3. Deepens emotional understanding. 4. Engages critical thinking. 5. Reduces stress and calm the mind. 6. Inspires and motivates. 7. Builds cultural awareness. Source of the poem: 1. Tanah Asal Kita, kumpulan puisi Leni Marlina, suarananegrinews.com. 2. Kami Akan Terus Ada, kumpulan puisi Leni Marlina, suarananegrinews.com. And last, Sahabat Cinta dan Rumah, kumpulan puisi Leni Marlina, suarananegrinews.com. Today I will presentation about 3 poem. 1 is Our Ancestral Land, poem by Leni Marlina. Poem 2 is Kami Akan Selalu Ada, puisi oleh Leni Marlina, Padang, Sumatera Barat 2014. 3 is Sahabat Cinta dan Rumah, puisi oleh Leni Marlina, Padang, Sumatera Barat, Juli 2013. And now we will see the example of persuasive essay. The title is Why Poetry is Critical in Education, Unlocking Creativity and Important Thinking. Poetry is more than just a creative expression. It's a powerful academic tool that nurture both creativity and critical thinking in students. In a world marred and were pushed by a way of logic and error, the emotional depth and resourceful freedom that poetry gives are crucial for growing properly rounded individuals. Via attractive wit poems, college students learn how to interpret complex feelings, explore multiple views, and express themselves in specific ways. Consequently, integrating poetry into training is not just beneficial, it's essential for fostering minds that assume deeply, experience completely, and talk successfully as demonstrated in 3 poems by Leni Marlina, Tanah Asal Kita, Kami Akan Terus Ada, dan Sahabat Cinta dan Rumah. These poems were digitally pushed on suarananegrinews.com in 2025. A powerful example of ways poetry stimulates both emotional attention and essential thinking is the poem Tanah Asal Kita by way of Leni Marlina. Through wealthy symbolism and poignant metaphors, the poem invites readers to reflect on humanity's disconnection from nature and ancestral roots. It challenges us to question our identity, our responsibilities, and the root we're taking as so known as heirs of the land. This is the particular energy of poetry in education. It sharpens moral sensitivity while attractive the mind. When college students are recommended to read and analyze works like this, they are not best mastering about literature, however, additionally about lifestyle itself. Another compelling example of poetry's impact in schooling is observed in Leni Marlina poem Kami Akan Terus Ada. This piece gives a voice of the unseen and acknowledge the individuals whose hard work sustain the world, yet whose existence often is going neglected. With effective imaginary and emotional intensity, the poem fosters empathy and a deeper knowledge of social issues, encouraging students to remember perspective past their very own. Such literary engagement teaches freshmen to assume critically, approximately justice, identity, and resilience. By using exploring poems like this, students are not best improving their analytical abilities, but additionally developing a sense of humanity. This is vital in nowadays global. Leni Marlina's poem Sahabat Cinta dan Rumah similarly emphasizes poetry function in nurturing emotional intelligence and non-secular resilience in students. Through its mind but profound verses, the poem explores subject matters of loss, loneliness, and the search for love and belonging. It speaks to the commonplace human enjoy of heartbreak and longing for a place to name domestic, supplying consolation and desire through faith and comparison. When students engage with poetry like this, they are recommended to mirror on their very own feelings and the stories of others. This mirrored image cultivates empathy, emotional strength, and a deeper connection to the sector qualities which are simply as crucial in schooling as intellectual boom. In end, poetry isn't a way merely a shape of creative expression. It's miles an important element of education that nurtures the heart and mind. Through poems like Tanah Asal Kita, Kami Akan Terus Ada, and Sahabat Cinta dan Rumah, through Leni Marlina, we see how poetry fosters vital thinking, emotional depth, empathy, and self-minority image. Its invitation college students to question the area around them, to sense deeply, and to connect with others on a human. In a time which training regularly prioritizes measurable result, poetry reminds us to the immeasurable price of knowledge, comparison, and creativity. Therefore, poetry have to remain an essential part of each scholar's mastering journey. Padang, West Sumatra, Indonesia, 2025. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.